Hello and welcome to the Yaxis video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to send and edit a payment reminder for a Proforma. Start from the cockpit and click on Payments and Invoices to see the full list of Proformas and invoices sorted descending from first to last. Find the Proforma you want to send a payment reminder for and click the Edit button to view current payment dates, their amount and their percentage. After you've checked the dates and amounts due, click Save and go back to the Proforma in the list. You can add a payment that has already been made by clicking the Paid tab. This opens a pop-up where you can enter the paid sum and then click Save to update the remaining amounts. Now, if you go back to the Proforma details by clicking the Edit button, you'll notice the amounts due have been updated. Click Save to return. In order to send the payment reminder, simply check the box next to the Proforma, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Payment Reminder Edit option from the Special Actions tab. This opens a pop-up where you can preview and modify the payment reminder. After you've done the modifications, simply click the Send button. An icon will appear next to your Proforma to let you know that a payment reminder has been sent to your customer. Selecting multiple Proformas disables the Edit option in order to prevent accidental modifications. You can only edit one Proforma at a time. That's all you need to know about sending and editing payment reminders for Proformas. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.